To fix Discord mic quality problem easy and quick. In this video we will learn how to solve and fix that issue, so let's learn how to do it. You just have to open the settings of your phone, click at apps option and search for Discord and click. Scroll down this list, click storage option, click clear cache and back. Click right now at force stop and click OK. So after this you just have to back to Discord. To second option permission, you will find here microphone. You need to disable it and enable it. Go to Play Store, make sure that your Discord is updated on the last version. After these steps you should restart now your phone, and that's all. I hope guys this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another tutorial.